16% of adults struggle with constipation every single day. It's uncomfortable, frustrating, and affects everything you do. Senna tea is one of nature's most powerful natural laxatives, used for centuries to provide fast relief. But before you brew your first cup, you need to know the benefits, the risks, and exactly how to use it safely. Let's break it all down. Senna tea comes from the leaves and pods of the Senna alexandrina plant, a shrub native to North Africa and India. For over 3,000 years, traditional medicine has used senna as a natural remedy for digestive issues. The active compounds in senna are called sennicides. These natural chemicals stimulate the muscles in your intestinal walls, triggering contractions that move waste through your digestive system. Think of it as a gentle push that gets things moving again. Senna is FDA approved as an over-the-counter laxative, which means it's recognized as safe and effective when used correctly. You can find it in tea bags, loose leaf form, or as supplements in capsules and tablets. Here's exactly what happens when you drink Senna tea. Within 6 to 12 hours after drinking it, the sennicides reach your colon. They irritate the lining of your intestines in a controlled way, which stimulates muscle contractions called peristalsis. These contractions push stool through your digestive tract. At the same time, senna increases fluid secretion in your intestines. This extra moisture softens hard stool, making it easier to pass. The combination of increased movement and added moisture is why senna works so effectively for constipation relief. Let's talk about the proven benefits of senna tea. Benefit number 1, fast constipation relief. Senna is one of the most effective natural remedies for occasional constipation. Studies show it works as well as over-the-counter synthetic laxatives, but it comes from a natural plant source. If you haven't had a bowel movement in 2 to 3 days, senna tea can provide relief within hours. Benefit number 2, supports weight loss efforts. Now let's be clear, senna tea is not a weight loss miracle. However, it can support your weight loss journey by relieving bloating and water retention. When you're constipated, you feel heavier and more uncomfortable. Senna helps eliminate that backed up waste, which can temporarily reduce bloating and help you feel lighter. Just remember, this is water weight and waste, not fat loss. Benefit number 3, colon cleansing before medical procedures. Doctors often recommend senna tea before colonoscopies or other medical procedures that require a clean colon. It's gentle enough for this purpose while being effective at clearing out your digestive system. Benefit number 4, hemorrhoid relief. By softening stool and making bowel movements easier, senna tea can reduce the strain that causes or worsens hemorrhoids. Less straining means less pain and faster healing. Now for the critical part, senna tea is powerful, and with that power comes potential side effects you must know about. Side effect number 1, stomach cramping. Many people experience abdominal cramping or discomfort after drinking senna tea. This happens because the tea stimulates strong intestinal contractions. The cramping usually passes once you have a bowel movement, but it can be uncomfortable. Side effect number 2, diarrhea and dehydration. If you drink too much senna tea or use it too frequently, you can develop diarrhea. This leads to dehydration and electrolyte imbalances, which can cause weakness, dizziness, and fatigue. Always drink plenty of water when using senna. Side effect number 3, dependency. This is the biggest risk. Your colon can become dependent on senna if you use it regularly for more than 1 to 2 weeks. When this happens, your intestines stop functioning normally on their own. You'll need laxatives just to have a regular bowel movement. This is why senna should only be used for occasional constipation, not as a daily habit. Side effect number 4, electrolyte imbalance. Long-term use can deplete your body's potassium levels, which affects heart function and muscle health. Low potassium causes weakness, irregular heartbeat, and muscle cramps. Side effect number 5, liver damage. Rare cases of liver damage have been reported with excessive senna use. If you experience yellowing of the skin or eyes, dark urine, or severe abdominal pain, stop using senna immediately and see a doctor. The bottom line, senna tea is safe for short-term use only. Think of it as an occasional rescue remedy, not a daily solution. Let's talk about the right way to use senna tea safely and effectively. Dosage guidelines. For adults, the typical dose is 1 cup of senna tea made with 1 to 2 tea bags, or 1 to 2 grams of dried senna leaves. Steep the tea in hot water for 10 minutes, then strain and drink. Start with the lowest dose first. If one tea bag doesn't work after 12 hours, you can increase to 2 tea bags the next time. Never exceed the recommended dose thinking it will work faster. It won't. It will just increase your risk of side effects. Best time to drink. Drink Senna tea in the evening, about 30 minutes before bed. This gives the tea time to work overnight, so you'll have a bowel movement in the morning. Taking it on an empty stomach increases effectiveness. Frequency. Use Senna tea only when you need it for occasional constipation. Do not use it daily. Maximum use should be 1 to 2 weeks, then stop. If you still have constipation after 2 weeks, you need to see a doctor to find the underlying cause. Important tips. Drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day when using Senna tea. This prevents dehydration and helps the tea work more effectively. Avoid taking Senna tea with other medications, especially diuretics, steroids, or heart medications. Senna can interact with these drugs and cause dangerous electrolyte imbalances. Senna tea is not safe for everyone. Here's who should absolutely avoid it. Pregnant and breastfeeding women. Senna can stimulate uterine contractions and may cause complications during pregnancy. It also passes into breast milk and can cause diarrhea in nursing infants. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, talk to your doctor before using any laxative. Children under 12. Senna tea is too strong for young children's digestive systems. Never give Senna to children without direct supervision from a pediatrician. People with inflammatory bowel disease. If you have Crohn's disease, ulcerative colitis, or irritable bowel syndrome, Senna can worsen your symptoms and cause severe cramping. Avoid it completely. People with intestinal blockages. If you have an intestinal obstruction, appendicitis, or severe abdominal pain, Senna tea can be dangerous. It will increase pressure in your intestines and potentially cause serious complications. Seek medical help immediately. People with heart conditions. Because Senna can affect electrolyte balance, especially potassium levels, people with heart disease should avoid it or only use it under medical supervision. People taking certain medications. Senna interacts with blood thinners, diuretics, steroids, and heart medications. Always check with your doctor or pharmacist before combining Senna with prescription drugs. Here's exactly how to brew Senna tea for the best results. Step 1. Boil 8 ounces of water and let it cool slightly to about 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Place 1 to 2 Senna tea bags or 1 to 2 grams of dried Senna leaves in your cup. Step 3. Pour the hot water over the Senna and cover the cup with a small plate or lid. This traps the beneficial compounds. Step 4. Steep for 10 minutes. Don't steep longer than this, as it won't make the tea more effective, just more bitter. Step 5. Remove the tea bags or strain out the leaves. Step 6. You can add a small amount of honey or lemon to improve the taste, but avoid milk or cream as they may interfere with absorption. Step 7. Drink the entire cup within 30 minutes of brewing for maximum effectiveness. Before you reach for Senna tea, try these gentler natural alternatives first. Increase your water intake. Dehydration is one of the main causes of constipation. Aim for 8 to 10 glasses daily. Add more fiber to your diet. Eat prunes, flax seeds, chia seeds, and plenty of vegetables. Fiber adds bulk to stool and helps it move through your system naturally. Exercise regularly. Physical activity stimulates intestinal contractions and promotes regular bowel movements. Try prune juice. It contains natural sorbitol, which acts as a gentle laxative without the risks of Senna. Consider magnesium supplements. Magnesium citrate draws water into your intestines and can relieve constipation more gently than Senna. Save Senna tea for when these natural methods don't work. It's your backup plan, not your first choice. So here's the bottom line on Senna tea. Senna is one of the most effective natural laxatives available. It works fast, it's FDA approved, and when used correctly, it's safe for occasional constipation relief. But the key word is occasional. This is not a daily tea. This is not a weight loss solution. This is a short-term remedy for when you really need help getting things moving. Always start with the lowest dose. Never use it for more than 1 to 2 weeks. Drink plenty of water, and if you have any underlying health conditions or take medications, talk to your doctor first. Remember, chronic constipation is often a sign of a deeper issue: poor diet, lack of exercise, dehydration, or medical conditions. Senna tea treats the symptom, but you need to address the root cause for long-term digestive health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Natural Health Lists for more evidence-based natural health remedies. Drop a comment below and let me know what natural health topic you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and here's to your natural health journey.